y'all. We got me and Austin and Skylar here. We just finished up on a 6-house farm, total clean out. Got it all the way down to the dirt there, but had to come over here and rescue Skylar. He's got a little crack in his bucket, and we gotta weld it up. Down in there, light's not too good, can't see very good. We gotta sew that thing up. That bucket's 96 inches wide. When you get out that wide with no gussets or braces in there, you gonna have some fracturing. We just rebuilt the bucket that we normally run on this machine, and we put a bolt-on cutting edge. That seems to make that lip a lot stronger, but these machines are so stout, you run into a pile and lift up, that's a lot of pressure across there on those things. They just which this thing's over a year old and we hadn't done anything to it, but it's finna have its first repair. We're gonna take this machine and push over on that, push it back where it's flush, and I'll tack it. We'll flip it upside down and weld it up real good. That's the thing, we've tied up a lot of money in these two trucks with the air packs and the tools and stuff. I'm not done with this one, getting it set up like I want it, but man, you gotta be able to repair your stuff on the job. We try to be able to fix anything we can right out here in the field, and not have to take it home. Not have to. We do hire some mechanicing done. We've got a guy that helps us when we need him. He's real good. But just simple stuff like this, we try to fix it. Austin, he's gonna get that cleaned up. And we'll sew it up, but you get stretched out like we do long distances from home, it's just not practical to run something back to the shop and weld on it or something like that. So this is that other bucket we beefed it up real good, put that bolt-on cutting edge on there, and with that being double plated, that really makes the lip really strong where it don't bow down. When that metal starts flexing, it eventually gonna tire. We're gonna get her sewed up. it up at the same time.